Hello everyone, let's see how can we make an application similar to the Amazon Audible using Python. Okay, so Amazon Audible is a service provided by Amazon which lets you listen to your favorite books that you want to, but as a programmer you do not need to buy such services. You can uh, instead create such services on your own. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. So for it, what we will be needing, we will be needing a PDF of the book that you want to listen using this Amazon Audible. So I downloaded a sample PDF in here from the website ncert.nic.in, which is NCERT, which is stands for National Council of Educational Research and Training. Okay, the organization that provides the books for the Indian school CBSE curriculum. So I downloaded a random book from there. It's a story of class 7th English. Okay, I want something in the case. You can download anything, or if you're having already any PDF, use that instead. Okay, so let's see how can we listen to this book using Python. Okay, so first of all, we create a folder and have a Python file and the PDF in the same folder, and open the same folder with your code editor. I chose Visual Studio Code as my code editor in here. Okay, so first thing what we need to do is we need to have an access to the PDF files we have in the same folder. So for that you need to install a module named PyPDF2. So which is simply use the command pip install PyPDF2 PyPDF2 in your terminal or CMD or Windows PowerShell or anywhere, and just install this module and then come back to this video. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we need to have an access to the PDF file. So for that, we'll be importing the uh, module that we just installed. Import PyPDF2. Okay, and first of all, we will be having the access to the PDF file. So I'm going to comment reading the PDF file. Okay, so for reading the PDF file, what we'll do, first of all, we'll create a variable named PDF, sorry, PDF equals, and I will open it, open, and we'll give the name of the PDF. In my case, it is sample.pdf, and we'll open it in binary format. Okay, so after that, I'll create another variable named book, and use the PyPDF2's file reader, PDF file reader in here, and give the value for PDF. Okay, the file that we chose to read, book. Then we got our book that we are going to listen in here. Then to count the number of pages in the book, what we should do is pages, the total pages in the book is equal to book dot get pages, or num pages, actually num pages. So it will give us the total number of pages in the book. If I print the total number of pages in here, you can see that it will give me that. Okay, pages. Okay, and running this program, and it has given me the value 7. And if I show you my PDF, so you can see in here that it has total 7 pages. Okay, so yeah, it is working fine till now. So then, so we got the total number of pages in here. And then what we should do to create get the text in the pages. So let's get an exact page first. The page equals book dot get page, and let's get the first page at index 0. So this will get me the first page of the book. Okay, and from the first page I need to extract the text in the page. Okay, so for that I will be using page dot extract text. Okay, and let's print it out by using the print function. Print page dot extract text, and running this program will print all the text that is there in the first page of my PDF. Okay, so you can see that Mr. Purcell owns a pet shop. There is constant noise of screeching and twittering. The same is written in here. I show you. You can see Mr. Purcell owns a pet shop. There is a constant noise of screeching and twittering in the shop, but Mr. Purcell. Okay, the same things uh, that came in our this output console. Okay, so let us close it, and let's see how can we do it for the complete book rather than a single page. So for that we will using the for loop. Simply what will I do here is simply refer for page number. For page number, creating a variable named page number in range function. using the range function and give the value here pages. Okay, for page number in pages, this mm, page equals get page, and instead of 0 I will give the variable here page number. So what it will do is iteratively it will get the number of the page number from the range pages, and it will get the page number, and similarly I will be extracting the text given in that particular page turn by turn. And if I now run this program, it will print the complete book for me. Okay, so let us run this program. Mm, okay, I ran this program and it did print the complete book for me. Like so you can see it. It has printed the complete book. Okay, so so the our task, half task is done of accessing the PDF file, and now what we should do is we should create a function in here which can make us listen to this the text present in the PDF file. Okay, so for that we will be using another module named PyTTSX3. So using to install that module, simply type in pip install PyTTSX3 SX3 in your terminal, Windows PowerShell, command prompt, or anywhere else. Okay, just install it out and then return to this video. So I'm assuming that you have installed it, and then I'm importing it. Import PyTTSX3. Okay, and we will first of all initialize this PyTTSX3 module. I have already taught how to initialize this module in one of my previous video. That was a desktop virtual assistant using Python, so I'm not gonna repeat the same things. So I'm setting up the voice first, that is initializing this module, setting up the voice. Okay, so first of all we need to create an engine. What am I doing? Engine, okay, equals PyTTSX3 dot init, and we'll give here the cp5. Okay, then the voices in my PC, there are 3 voices present. I will use the second one at index number 1. Okay, get property, and give here the string for voice. Okay, if you are having any difficulties about what am I doing with this PyTTSX3 module, just go to the video that is my desktop virtual assistant using Python in the same channel, Coding Asylum, and you will get to know why am I writing these things up. Okay, I'm not interested in repeating the same things again in this video, so as to lengthen this video. Okay, so then engine dot set property, and give here voice, and then I will be using the second voice at index 1, voices 1.id. Okay, so I have set it up the voice, and then we will listen it. So for listening it, what we should do is simply we'll do engine dot say whatever there it is written in the this page, that is I will simply copy this page dot extract text. It is in string format. Okay, and then write in here engine dot run and wait. Okay, let's run this program. Oh, what happened? It is saying string object has no attribute ID. Okay, so I messed up with something in there, so let's see what happened. It is saying some error is in these lines. So I given voices equals engine dot get property voices. Oh, sorry, I given here voice instead of voices. I will needed to get the voices command in there. Okay, so let's rerun this.
Mr. Purcell owns a pet shop. There is constant noise of screeching and twittering in shop, but Mr. Purcell is happily unaware of it. One cold
Okay,
morning,
okay, so it
a
is
strange
working just
customer
fine.
called.
If, so let's see if it's reading the exact same text or any random text in there according to it. So let's run both of them simultaneously. So I'm running this program, and please see that is it is reading the same text that is provided in this PDF, or reading anything else or anything. Okay, so I'm running this program again. You can see here.
Mr. Purcell owns a pet shop. There is constant noise of screeching and twittering in shop. But Mr. Purcell is happily unaware of it. One cold morning, a strange customer calls. Mr. Purcell did not believe in ghosts. Nevertheless, the Moho
Okay,
bought the
so it
two
is
doves.
working totally fine. So let me close it. And so this was the total video that how can you create an Amazon Audible simply using Python. So it was a short video. You can also create a GUI for the same like I did. Okay, if I show you that I also created a GUI in here using the same thing. So okay, so this was my GUI. Uh, this is I created something named Barack Audible, where I have a button named Add Book. If I click in here, it will provide an option me to get the PDF I want, and if I click in Open, it will get the whole text that is there. And if I click on Listen Book, it will this make me listen to this whole textbook. So you can also create such things with Python. Okay, and if you do need a tutorial for how to create a GUI using this, just ping me up in the comment section, and I will definitely create another video using the GUI of this what this project. Okay, of this awesome project. I hope you like this video. Please do give it a like and subscribe to my channel Coding Asylum. Thank you.